parcel and we have nothing to wear.
Shifted your what नीचे. I went and asked the reporter there.
Last 3 categories are going to be announced and हमारा अभी तक announce नहीं हुआ.
I hope you will get your award today.
If it's not the next category, I think it's not happening. Bro, what the fuck?
तुम ब्रा पहन के जाओगी?
अरे इसके अंदर तो कुछ पहनना पड़ेगा ना देखने के लिए.
और अगर ना पहने तो?
Wow, that's
That
great.
would be something.
That's great suggestion. Keep it to your
Awards, parcel and we have nothing to wear. Perpetual woman problem.
Just placeholder. It's not supposed to be like that. The one. इसके साथ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो
बट समझ में आ जाएगा, आइडिया आ जाएगा.
और तुम
पहले तुम पहन के तो आओ.
क्या आते हैं फिर पता चलेगा भाई.
Hate shopping. How do we look?
Very street.
Street like we belong to the street.
No. Now we are finally going to the mall to shop because.
But why can't we look like this while going
Show to the camera, na. Which one is you?
I like the black girl.
I like the white, silver.
Why
Yeah.
can't we walk like this?
And have so many bags in a hand. For that you need money. We
But
have
why
no
can't we
money.
just like
And I'm looking at you like this.
shopping?
So what do you think, guys?
इसके साथ स्कर्ट आ रहा था पर I think I gave up midway because what is this round circle here?
Can you just hold
You look like you're gonna dance on खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से
What is
मेरा
this?
खली
What is this
बली.
for? Extra boobs.
This is
Is
to
it
pull.
No. हम अपनी औकात पे आ गए हैं. तो देखो क्या कर रही है. We have visited how many stores? 4, 5. And we have found nothing.
माफ कर दो please.
What are you wearing? Okay, let's see. Are you outside?
Yeah.
Come here.
No.
Hi, Manvi. Hi, Reem. Again, Srishti is late, guys. Of course, she is late. इसलिए मुझे पहले ready होना पड़ रहा है. Oh no, wait. I just remembered she's actually going to collect my shoes that I have to wear. She's not late. I love her. I love you, Srishti.
Fans बंद होएगा.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want my eyeliner to be straight, not it has to be
Reem, do you understand?
How did you want it? Not from down.
No, but that is from
up
down.
straight.
Like this still behind us.
The image this way or that way?
Amit.
I think it's you go upstairs there and then you fuck off. That's where the image is.
Excuse me, why is she being rude?
Huh?
Why is she being rude?
Yeah.
Why are you looking at a cleavage? I caught you looking at a cleavage.
Excuse me, my face is here. Yeah.
मैम आपका पॉडकास्ट तो बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने ऐसा पॉडकास्ट तो मतलब ऐसा पॉडकास्ट मैंने अपने लाइफ में नहीं देखा.
आपका एक पॉडकास्ट है कि 2?
आपका पॉडकास्ट क्या आता है?
Sorry, 4 podcast है.
ये क्या कितना में? ये क्या bro? What is she doing? What are you looking at?
I'm becoming a GTA character. She walks like this. Okay? She walks like and then she gets stuck. And she keeps walking.
And then move right. Sure. Nice there. You have to clean the hole.
The whole.
When I'm inside the field, I'm very aggressive.
That is so weird, man.
Is America, is Russia, or is
Gone.
anyone?
Say it's gone.
I will do my best.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
And out of all the offerings I've done today, Pooja's vision is
We get free food, we eat free food.
They have shifted your award niche.
How do you know? Where is it coming
I went and asked the order cab.
Last 3 categories are going to be announced and हमारा अभी तक announce नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah, is this a prank? Because we paid money, we got it ready. We hired a photographer to come and sit and.
I bought precious gems.
हमें बोला था 7:30 बजे अवार्ड मिलेगा. Guys 10 बज रहा है और अब वो बोल रहे हैं कि सिर्फ 3 कैटेगरीज रह गई हैं. And I'm
मेरा नाम है सानिया मुस्लिम वापस से सानिया एंड
Thank you. अवार्ड मिले ना मिले. This is an actual award.
नहीं पर अवार्ड नहीं चाहिए यार.
I
hope you'll get your award today.
Guys, the people sitting next to us also think we're not going to get it. You know what? I'm really worried. Our husbands have left us. Our table, they have left us.
We should now change the starting point again.
यहाँ भावेश बैठा था और यहाँ विराट बैठा था. वो हमें छोड़ के चले गए.
हम स्पीच दे, कोई है ही नहीं सुनने के.
मैं तो फिर भी बोल रही हूँ. वैसे भी मेरी कोई नहीं सुनता है.
I am going to say speaking in front of a jury, but the jury has left. Should I say it?
Yeah. It's a joke.
But the jury is not there.
Guys, if it's not the next category, I think it's not happening.
You can't steal it.
They're very different categories.
Okay.
Power Podcast creator goes to
Yes, us. Thank you.
Srishi Ganguly and Sir. Okay, I think we have 30 seconds, so we'll keep it quick, just like our husbands do.
This feels unreal. I felt like the first time we would be speaking in front of a jury would be in court, but here we
It
are.
probably will be because the jury is left. So, yeah. Okay, this started as a bad idea and सबने हमें बोला मत करो, इज्जत चली जाएगी, लॉन्डो की तरह बात मत करो. हमने नहीं सुनी and now this bad idea is an award-winning bad idea.
Saloni, thanks for the very profound original advice you're giving.
30 seconds are up. Thank you, Gode. Okay. Thank you to the guests who came to us when we had nothing.
Thank you to our viewers who voted for us, also lost a lot of brain cells watching our content.
Thank you to our team who worked with us when we didn't have any money.
Thank you to our husbands who are sitting right there.
Viram and Bhavesh who didn't have an option. They had to be supportive. And koi nahi hai kya? Times, thank you. You finally made us realize that not all award shows are rigged. So, thanks. For our next award, may I please invite actor Indira Tiwari. The Power Creator Award for Courage and Positivity Champion goes to Hina Khan.
This award is for Bhavesh. Y'all go to the bathroom and come.
Guys, I just want to say ये award मैंने भी जीता. I just want to say, it's mine also.
And now, can we do it better for comedians?
Award तो मेरे पास ही है ना. It's a video.
कैसे बने ना award यार? I think it's a big deal.
अच्छा मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, मेरा प्लान ये है, तुम अपना आइडिया देना. ये 3 महीने पहले मेरे पास होगा और फिर उसके बाद 3 महीने तुम्हारे पास. ऐसे हम
कॉइन टॉस करेंगे. लेट्स
नहीं.
I think I'll decide. I'll tell you.
टॉस करेंगे मतलब हमेशा के लिए अगर कोई जीता
नहीं पहला कौन लेके जाएगा?
हाँ पहला कौन लेके जाएगा उसके
I
बाद
think
coin toss
जिसने
करेंगे।
I think जिस
आइडली TOI तुम लोग को 2 अवार्ड्स देने चाहिए थे।
नहीं,
2
I
गर्ल्स है
think-
2 गर्ल्स।
मैं आई थिंक जिसने शो का नाम दिया उसको मिलना चाहिए अवार्ड। तो किसने दिया था? 2 girls 2 cups नाम?
हमने ही सोचा था।
माय
हमने ही सोचा
गॉड,
था।
राइटर्स को गाइस कभी क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता है लाइफ में।
हमने ही सोचा था। हस्बैंड हमें जेना पे लेके जा रहा है।
They're paying for it.
मेरा एक्सेंट के बदल जाता है अगर जब जजा पे लगे।
He has gone to the women's security check when she said only ladies sir.
I like to do that.
So this is the award और अब हम डिसाइड करने वाले कि कौन रखने वाला है इसे. तो आई थिंक इट्स ओनली फेयर कि हम रॉक पेपर सीजर्स.
Of course you love playing rock paper. You love doing it.
I always
So,
win.
Of course we'll play rock paper.
Okay, ready? Rock, best of 3.
And this is not just for content, this is serious.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
1-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
I won.
No. This is called the knockout round.
मतलब अगर ये जीते तो
She just changed the rules. Best of 3 क्यों बोला? Best of 5 बोलना था ना?
पहले best of 3 बोलते हैं. Best of 5. Rock, paper, scissors.
the fuck is that, bro?
Then
Fire. Let me check in my really big bag
Okay,
if I have a coin.
let's do a sword
Battle?
walk. Yeah.
but how will you decide who's won?
Okay.
Listen, I won. I clearly won.
What do you mean? We
I won both the. No, but I won this round.
No,
and
but we were supposed to do
award
the-
for first
no,
3
no, we
months.
have to do
Listen, on the contract anyway, you are the POC and you are the person who makes all the.
That's because you didn't want to.
No, I gave it to you as respect for senior citizen.
I'm not that old.
Yeah, that old actually. So now, I just want to say something real and not joke about what we've achieved today. I think it's a big fucking deal that we've won this award because we did not start this as going to the studio with a whole team. We started it at home with 2 broken tripods, with 2 very bad cameras, and we had no idea what we were doing. We didn't know what to write. We didn't know what to say. We just went for it. I specifically was very not interested in doing this. I was pushed and I was told that we should just go for it. And I'm so glad we did because what the fuck? We just received an award on stage.
I'm a good pusher.
Yeah, clearly. And we shot through every season. We shot through the rainy season,
The summer season,
winter also.
the autumn. None of these happen
Through
in
your
Bombay.
fucking pregnancy. We have videos of you. You could have delivered any moment on the couch.
We have that episode. If you want to watch that
Yeah.
episode, it's here.
Where you're lashing out at your husband because he was just
yeah.
helping with the light. And again, today he's helping with the light. Right there. Where is he? Where is he? Yeah, there he is. Helping with the light. Always helping with the light.
He's the light of my life.
And also helping with the light. And yeah, say something. How do you feel?
I have been, since the time I got to know we are getting this award, I have been so happy. The first time in my life that I've created something which I could not have created alone at all. And it's being validated by the industry and the people who are
Anoop Soni, Rasika Duggal,
Shweta Tripathi,
and Shoyuk.
Divya Datta.
Oh, sorry, not Shoyuk.
Together that Didi.
Divya Datta ji. And all of you who come up to us and tell us that you watch our content, all of you who comment saying you girls are my favorite, always rooting for you. That boy who came up to us and said it's your dinner time watch, that's amazing. And this is whatever we're doing is for you. Thank you for I know we're underrated and you guys love that we're underrated now, but I hope we're overrated very soon.
Yeah. Okay, now don't make me cry.
Guys, we have eaten too much. And bro, what the fuck award? Did you just forget the award? Sorry. I just saw this pink thing in the background. What the hell, that?
2 girls and 2 guys.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never. Keep